today we are starting the in the last lecture we have discussed about potential energy of a system of charge, of a single charge, or potential energy of the multiple charges, potential energy of the system of two charges also. Right now, the last time on 15th of June we have seen today, right? Yesterday, and we are seeing today the concept of the potential energy of potential energy in an external field. What the meaning of the field is there? Okay, external, the word external is here. The last time we have discussed here, we used to place here a positive charge the last time, clear? And here the magnetic field, electric field is to be developed here. Means we facilitate the electric field, we bring the positive charge, right? But in this case, the potential energy in an external field means what is the source of the field we will not predict here. We will not give any illustration for the field is here. Is that clear? About the field will not give. We simply will speak the strength of the field is this much. Clear? So the last time we have discussed what is the potential energy. Not only in the first time you are studying, also you have studied in the previous class, right? Above the surface of Earth, right? At different points of gravitational potential was there. Potential means what? Potential means it's the work done in bringing a unit mass, unit charge, a unit thing. How much work you need to do to set the body at this right now. And examples yesterday also I gave you that two system here. This it's a one charge and this is another charge. The two charges are here, Q1 and Q2. Okay. So if you will bring Q1 charge, first you will bring the Q1 charge. Okay. Means obviously you will need to make the system of two charges. You will make two charges system here, right? So first you will bring the Q1 charge. Obviously if you will bring here at point A Q1 charge, so no work will be done here. Why the no work will be done here? The reason is what? Because there is no field present here. Is that clear? But if the second charge Q2 you will bring, so work is to be done. Why? Because the earlier present, the previously you brought this Q1. First you have brought Q1, okay? So if you will bring later Q2, then the Q2 will have to face its repulsion. And you will just set at this point. We can give this name of the point is B. You will need to set this Q2 point at this B point with respect to this position vector. Is that clear? Actually it's a positive charge. This is also positive charge. Repulsion will take place here. Obviously without external effort, without external force you exert on the charge Q2, it cannot be set here. You cannot set here. Is that clear? So we can speak here against the repulsion you will bring Q2. Q2 is to be brought by you right now, and for bringing this you will need to do the work. Same happens in case of that. There is Earth surface right now, and here you want to project a satellite at this P point. Obviously you want to project a satellite at this point. So obviously any object cannot move just. This satellite cannot move easily to the point P here. How will you set this? Obviously any object under gravity moves down. So you need to do the work to set the body at this point. And you will just give a force. And how much force? The escape velocity you have studied. It is the velocity after that. But how you have derived the velocity? Obviously to set this satellite at this P point, you need to do the work to throw it from the surface of Earth. Is that clear? And what work you do? You just have to give to a satellite, right? And carrying this work, so obviously you cannot give the work. Actually you spend energy on the object. Same happens in case of that. This Q2 charge will not automatically come to the point B at certain position vector with respect to it, right? You need to do the work because the repulsion will be between them, and the repulsion against you will do the work. So this is called its configurational energy. Means you have developed a system of two charge. You have made the system of two charge. In making this, you have done the work, and work does not go waste. This is to be stored as a form of potential energy. Is that clear? Not right? So we have discussed here about the potential energy, but it's well declared here that Q1, that is A is here the source charge which is developing field for Q2. This was the topic of yesterday. Right now, today the topic is potential energy in an external field. In an external field, potential energy in an external field means the external field, the field is already present here. The field is already present. So I will not tell you the field where is that. Is that clear or not? Well, remember this. Clear? So what will happen? Suppose there is an external field. Okay? There is an external field. Yes, you say here. It is this. Another. Distant between, please. You must sit there. Here you must sit. Potential energy in an external field. So external field means the field we will just suppose the board is a field here. Means at every point in the board there is electric field. Is that clear? The field direction is from left to right. So I am not predicting where the field from where the field is coming here. Is that clear or not? Listen. So this is the field is there. This is field. So we are just to find potential energy in an external field. Potential energy of what we have to find out. So first potential energy of a point charge. Obviously a single charge is to be brought here, right, in external field. Point charge. And second, potential energy of system of two charge. System of two charge. Potential energy of system of two charge. System of two charge can be the two positive charge. अब और कोई नहीं आना right now. Two positive charge is there. Two positive charge and system of dipole. One positive and negative. This is the topic, the potential energy in an external field. I just want to tell you what is potential energy. So according to the concept of physics, every system is needed to be constructed. Right now, body works, the organism develops, the body grows. Right now, you just stretch the catapult, the energy is just now comes in the catapult as a result of your doing work. If you will not do the work, the catapult means I'm just saying the gulay right now. If you will stretch it, without stretching, does the catapult can have energy? Obviously no. So how the energy actually rises in the catapult? As a result of your doing work. It means that your work does not go in waste. And this is not a convenience way. This is the basic concept in physics. Is that clear? And it's the principle in law here. It does not can be violated. You agree with this or not agree with this. This is really working. It is right now. So what we can say? When you do the work, so you do the work will not speak here. When work is done, passive voice will speak here right now. When work is done, then work does not go in waste. This is to be stored as a potential energy. The same is here saying. Now the second thing, when you need to do work, what is the situation that you need to do work? If you are swimming against a stream, then need to do work. Is that clear or not? If you are swimming against a stream, you need to do work. If you are just moving in the direction of a stream, you not need to do the work. Why? Because a stream is carrying you where it's you want to go. You want to go now where the stream wants to fetch you. Is that clear or not? Basic, listen here. So the effort always are made by human when they just make their work against the stream. Is that clear? This is the basic concept of the life, or not only the basic law of physics. And if one can swim against the stream, he will do the work. And if he will do the work, work will not go in waste. He will just in future, he will just have in future the work as form of energy. As energy. What energy? Potential can be and kinetic there also. Right now. So when what is the condition? What is the situation? Then work is to be done. I told you this against stream. A satellite is to be thrown against gravity. Is that clear now? And a charge is to be brought against the repulsion. Attraction, you not need to do the work against attraction. Automatically the body and the charge will be attracted right now. So work is done always against situation right now. So there is an external field. You go on seeing the screen also right now. So I'm just telling the already external field is present. In the previous last lecture yesterday, I think you would have seen in that facility means the electric field was were made availed by bringing charge, but here you will not do this. Electric field is located here right now. So what will write? Potential energy of a point charge, of a point charge. Okay. So the line will be common for all derivation. I'm writing the line which is common for all derivation. Three things I'm telling in the same time right now. Please go on writing that an external field, an external field of intensity E, external field of intensity E is present at a point present. Okay, this line will be common for all. Is that clear? So for this we will write here a point charge, is to be brought, is to be is to brought is to bring at a point. Okay, so what will be it is? And obviously yesterday you have seen here at every point of the electric field there is certain potential. Is that clear? And what is the physical application of physical significance of electric potential? Because potential is, we found here, potential is W upon Q. So W is equal to what? Potential into V. It means the meaning of potential, unit coulomb charge, 1 kg mass, unit thing, anything else is to be brought at this position, is to be brought at this condition. How much work is to be done in bringing unit? If you know how much work is done in bringing unit, so you can know the net work or total work done. Sorry, net will not speak the word about work. Net word cannot be used. Okay. So total work done in more than unit. How much work is to be done? For finding this, the potential is used here actually. Right? Potential is used. So potential is used for finding the total work done. Suppose that from the above the surface of Earth at 1,000 km, at a point on 1,000 km, you want to set a satellite of 2 ton. Then how much work you need to do? And for on the basis of estimation of the work, you will spend energy. You will give the mass. You will burn the fuel, so that it will carry the satellite to that point at 1,000 km. This is the predictions about right now. So we are finding it. So potential, what is the application of potential? So potential at a point is actually, potential is not the property of body, it is the property of position. That's we write in this way. It's very important to understand the topic with this symbolization. Right now, VR means potential at a point is the vector property of position. Clear? V at R. So if we know the potential at a point, it means it is the work done in bringing unit. So we can know the total work done in bringing the Q charge. Is that clear now? So if we will multiply by the total, suppose 10 coulomb charge is multiplied by VR, it means it is the total work done in bringing 10 coulomb charge. Right now, why? Because the application of potential is the work done in bringing unit mass. Is that clear? The work done in bringing unit mass. So how much work you need to do? Yes, sir. Multiply this potential by your demanding. What is the amount of coulomb you bring to? Right now, you want to bring 10 coulomb, 20 coulomb, 30 coulomb, 100 coulomb. How much charge you want to bring here? Is that clear? And this charge, it means suppose that there is suppose point P is there. Every second, how much electron will pass through? This is actually the how much charge you want to bring here. How much electron you will pass through this point, and these electron will make 1 coulomb charge. How many electron will make 1 coulomb charge? So much work is need to be done here, and so much potential is to be there. Is that clear now? So what? The potential is to be multiplied by charge. Total work done can be calculated. Is that clear? This is the physical significance of the potential, right? So let an external field of intensity E presents. This line is common for all three derivations. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that clear? And the line for this only, I am starting from here. Clear? A point charge is to bring at a point P, where the electric potential will speak here. Electrostatic potential is VR. VR, it means it's not a vector quantity, okay? VR. Therefore, the work done in bringing, go on writing please. Work done in bringing Q charge, work done in bringing Q charge at that point. The work done in bringing Q charge at that point. What shall be? W is equal to Q into VR. So don't be confused. Mathematical representation is the functional manner of representing potential. Okay, V at R means V is the potential, R is position vector. This is, and what is the potential at this point? Obviously, we can find out. You know the potential at that point. So potential, I think you yesterday you have seen the relationship between the potential and electric field. What the relationship potential between? Potential divided by length is equal to electric field. Do you remember this? V by L is equal to E. V by L is equal to E. So in the place of electric field intensity, if you have been given, and there is L, L is the position vector could be there, VR, right now, let this is. And sometimes electric field at that here can be written as a dV by dr. dV by dr. You just have to know. It is called instant field. Field at a point is given as the derivative of potential at any position. Right now, that is, if you will differentiate the potential equation with respect to position, and at R you will find out the value, some range you will find out. Range is mathematical language I am speaking. By putting the value in the function R is equal to something, then you will obtain the electric field at that point. Means derivative of potential is the electric field, and oppositely the left side is the derivative. If I will transfer dr to the right side, then this will be integral, right or not here? D by dr is the derivative of left. If d by rd transfer to the right side, it will become integral of E. We can speak here E is the derivative of dv v, and v is the integral of E. Is that clear? Just like that left side plus right side, it works as a minus. Same happens right now. Dv by dr, derivative of potential is field. Oppositely, integral of field is the potential. Is that clear now? So this is that here. So further it can be written here. If you know the potential at that point, so what you will find here? It's a Q charge, and potential can be written as an electric field, and it's a dr also. So this is, it's a dw will be here this. So this can also be given, this can also. This is first and the second. So total work can be calculated by integrating this, right now. If you integrate it, integrating this network can be found out here. dr, or it's a this here. Integrating this equation, we can calculate the total work done. integrating this equation, total work done can be calculated. Is that clear? So well understood. You may see on that. See on the screen. What is it saying here? What is it saying in the screen? You will see. Potential energy of Q at R in external field, where VR is the external potential at R. Here is an example written here before that. You may see, if an electron with charge Q is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 90. Suppose there is a charge on electron, minus it is negative charge is there, 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19, accelerated by a potential difference. Accelerated by a potential difference, what does this mean? I am telling this. There is 2 points in the field here, okay, and the potential difference between these 2 points is what it's saying here, certain potential difference, okay. So if you will place here, it is high V1 and V2, and when the 2 points of different potential are connected, I am telling, suppose the river is flowing, okay, the river is flowing, at this point there is down, and at this point there is up, right now. So we can speak here, the line of different potential is connected. If you leave the water at high potential, automatically it will flow with that. And with what acceleration it will flow? It will flow with the acceleration. It depends on the potential difference between them. This is not a potential difference due to electricity. It is the potential, what gravitational potential difference. So potential is not especially for gravity. Potential is not especially for electricity, right? Potential is the common thing in physics. Is that clear? So the difference between them, so much difference, so much speed of the water will there. Same happens in case of when the 2 points are there in the electric field, the speed or accelerating charge speed of the charge depends on the potential difference. And why you are being to taught this thing here? So much hard work I am just doing this to explain you this, and even the book wala also trying to make understand about the potential. Why? Because the difference actually will predict the flow, that the electricity you are using, it is actually coming from the powerhouse to your house as a result of the difference. Right now, when the potential difference will vanish means no more potential difference will there, the flow of charge will stop, because flow always occur due to potential difference. Flow always occur due to difference. If there is a equality, the flow will never occur. An example, I have more knowledge in physics rather than you. You have less knowledge. So we can speak here, I am at high potential and you are at low potential. And you are listening me, means the knowledge is being flown from me to you. This is the result of difference. Right now, if you will know about or equal to me, then you will not hear me, you will not listen me. And the knowledge will not flow from me to you. Is that clear or not? Is that clear or not? So basic it is. Everywhere you can project this thing here. This is the basic concept of physics. Right or not? So what is that? So 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb accelerated by potential. What is the potential between these 2 points? 1 volt. It would gain energy of, what energy it will gain? Obviously the charge is multiplied by potential. An example, the charge is multiplied by potential. Suppose one electron, for this I am telling, okay? This is work done. How much work done? The work is to be done Q into potential, right now. And what the potential difference between the 2 points is saying here? It's a potential difference 1 volt. Clear? 1 volt. The unit is volt. And charge, what is the amount of charge on electron? 1.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 19 1 2. So this shall be 1 into 10 raised to the power minus 19 what? Joule. This much energy you need to expend there, means electron will gain, and after gaining this energy the electron will accelerate. Is that clear? Right or not? So what is it saying here? 1.6 accelerated by that, so this is the amount of energy. Right now this is called 1 electron volt. What do we speak here? 1 electron. It's a definition of 1 electron volt. Is that clear? So what the definition of an electron volt? Definition of 1 electron volt is what here? Electron flow between the 2 points, moves from one point to another, whose potential difference between these point is 1 volt. Is that clear? Just you may write this is 1 electron volt definition. You just can write 1 electron volt. Note point here. Okay. It's 1 electron volt. It is the 1 electron volt. It is the energy, right now. Electron volt is energy. Will remember this. The energy required by 1 electron volt. The energy gained by or required by the energy required by an electron. Energy gained by electron required by an electron required by an electron required by an electron to accelerate to accelerate at the potential difference of 1 volt, to accelerate at the potential difference at the potential difference of 1 volt. Or also we can speak here, if the potential difference between the 2 point is 1 volt, then electron will require this energy to move from one point to another. This is very simple language to make understanding the student. Okay, this is the amount of energy that is required by an electron to move from one point to another, and both the points are in the field. To move from one point to another, on both the point are at 1 volt potential difference. Is that clear? So we have given the definition: to move an electron at 1 volt potential difference. Is that clear? Suppose the difference between the, from this point to 1 volt, it is from this to this point 1 volt, from this to this point 1 volt, from this to this point 1 volt. Electron leaves at here. We leave the electron. So electron will move here with how much energy it will have? 1.6. Now again this 1.6. So we can speak here, we need to give not only 1.6 energy, we need to give 5 times the 1.6 energy. Every time it will spend energy here, right now. So same happens in case of that. Throughout the conductor we need to apply the potential difference. That's why the electron drift or move through the conductor. This is the electricity of conductor, right? That we'll discuss, okay, later. So well understood you? 1.6 into 10 raised to the power 1.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 19 joule. This further can be transformed as 1.6 into 10 raised to the power minus, if I will, it's 19. It's 19, okay? Of 19 further electron volt, mega electron volt, giga electron volt, tera electron volt, certain can be taken here, right now. Please decrease the 30 more here. Electron volt, kilo electron volt can be made here. What is kilo electron volt here? Kilo electron volt. This is 30 when add means subtract, no, 30 means it's a more bigger quantities. 10 to the power minus 16 means kilo electron volt. Decrease more 3, 10 to the power 13, it is mega electron volt, and 10 to the power 12, it is tera electron volt. Is that clear? Do solve this. Means here it is 16, and in make it 16, or make more 13. 13 means mega electron volt, and 4 means 9 means giga electron, sorry, more 3 is to be decreased. 10 means giga electron volt, okay, and so on, right? So this is well understood here, the external field. The you are not here taught the what is the source of the electric field, who has developed the field developer, and the what is the source of field is not predicted. Field is present, it's enough to tell you that field is present. Is that clear or not? Two positive charge, right now it is, I told you the electrostatic potential energy of one charge, I'm telling due to two charge. One topic complete here, a point charge. This is a common line. Now I'm deleting this, alright? This is the line for the point what? Potential energy of a point charge. Okay? We'll remember this. Now second, two charge, two positive charge is there. Okay? Two per system, two positive charge. One charge is at here, Q1, and the another charge is also here. It's a Q2. Is that clear? And the second thing, dipole is what? It's a Q1, or the second it is minus Q2. Clear or not? So please do find out in that here. So first you will bring this Q1 charge. Okay? So please do write here. Work done work done in bringing what q1 charge, work done in bringing q1 charge in a field, in the field in the field at a point, work done in bringing q1 charge is position vector at point A. Okay, at point A, q1 charge in the field at a point A. What will it is? So it is W1 is equal to q1 charge and multiply by potential at A. Is that clear? We also can write V1 means potential at V1. We also speak it is due to position function here, so VR1 can be written here. Okay, because potential is the function of R, so R1 means one potential is there. Okay, so one charge. Okay, again next charge is to be brought here, the q2 charge you are bringing. Okay, at position. So similarly work done W2. Okay, the W2 is the work done in bringing second charge. Okay, this second charge if you are bringing, so you will need to do work against the external field first. Okay, against the external field first, and second against the previous charge. Is that clear or not? Well understood or not? Against the previous charge, because obviously when already it is present here at R1 position vector, when you will bring or set this q2 at R2 position vector, its position vector and behind this concept already a mathematical concept is working. Its position vector is R1, its position vector is R2. So what is the position vector between them? Position vector of 2 with respect to 1. Right now in 11th class physics we studied about that. Right now means the origin is already working behind this. I will not draw here a origin. If I will draw again and again origin, the complex concept will become so complex it is right now, and representation will be quite difficult. Right now you just have to understand, in the 11th class if you have studied the coordinate physics and coordinate geometry R1 R2 position vector, means after that you have to launch it, right? So q1 its position vector is R1, its position vector is R2, so the position vector of q2 with respect to q1 R21, and q1 of q2 R12. Is that clear now? So this is that here. So in bringing q2, the W2 work is done, and how much work you need to do? First q2 multiply by VR2, the first work this you need to do, and second work what? Against q2. What is against q1? Q1 q2. Do you know potential energy? In the last topic yesterday I told you this. K time q1 q2 divided by what is that? R21. This is the work done in bringing q2. So please have write further here. Therefore the total work done, yes,
R21 का square होगा ना upon
R21 का square, where is that?
K Q1 Q2 में.
No, this is R21 square. A square comes in the Coulomb's law. This is the potential energy. You have not seen the video of yesterday, it means that. Right now, the total work done, W1 plus W2. Add them please. And what is coming? You tell me please. Total work done Q1 VR at 1, Q2 plus Q2 VR2 plus K Q1 Q2. Against repulsion. What will it is? Q1 V at R1 plus Q2 V at R2 plus K Q1 Q2 divided by R21 square. And just know what is the K here? K? Please tell me K is what? Yes? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Okay? That's Q1 Q2 divided by R21 square. Is that clear now? So poor conditions here. You don't know what is the K is occurring here. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 divided by Q21 square. Clear? This is the work done. We've seen that on that. Clear? Now numericals. This is the topic we have detailed about the middle one. Okay, two positive charge, and due to dipole, I will tell you this later. Okay, this is another topic. Please learn this. Have a look at the numericals. See on the screen what the numericals saying here. You also see your NCERT textbook. Let's look what the question is saying here. Determine noted this all. Look please. See the numerical. Okay? And if you solve the numerical, that will help you to understand the right gaining of concept. If you have not got the concept very clearly in the class, it means you cannot solve numerical right now. And if you are right, have the right solution of numerical, means you got concept very clearly. See that. Determine the electrostatic potential energy. Electrostatic potential energy of a system consisting of two charges. In a system, how many charges are there? Two charges are there. 7 microcoulomb and minus 2 microcoulomb. Okay. Question 2.5. Okay, you must do this. This same here. 7 microcoulomb. The one charge is 7 microcoulomb. Microcoulomb obviously 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb. Okay, and what the second charge is? The second charge you will see minus 2 microcoulomb. That is minus 2 into 10 to the power minus 6. Tell please. If these charges are located at certain distance, will they constitute a dipole? You tell please. Will they constitute a dipole? If 7 microcoulomb minus 2 microcoulomb will located at the point?
No.
No. Tell please. Will
Yes,
they?
yes, yes.
Will constitute a dipole? Tell please you. No. They will not constitute a dipole. Tell me please why they not? The magnitudes are different here, and the definition of the, listen here. I asked a question here in numerical. You told me yes, they will constitute. It means your concept is not clear about the dipole. Very clear it is. What? A dipole is the assembly of assembly of a system of two equal and opposite charges. It means you don't remember, don't understand. Remember it maybe, but you don't understand the definition of dipole. Clear? They will not constitute finally the system a dipole. Right now, system of two charges, that is called. They will not constitute a dipole. Why? Because the charge magnitude is not same. Same means magnitude is not same. No external field is present here. No external field is present here means if you bring first 7 microcoulomb charge, no external field is present. You will bring first charge. How much work you do? Tell please, Akshita. How much work you do?
So, work 1 plus not 2.
No work is done. Why? Because it's saying this external field is not present. If the external field is not present, if the gravity is not present, then in moving any unit mass, any massive object, no work is done. I already declared you in the beginning of lecture, right? Work and effort always meet when the opposition is there. If there is no opposition, you are just moving against the stream, you need to swim. If you are just moving in the direction of the stream, धारा की दिशा में आप बह रहे हैं, you not need to do work. The system will do the work on you. It is carrying you because. Is that clear now? You are sitting in the class. You are sitting in the class. You are doing work. You are making effort. You don't come at 6 o'clock. You getting a sleep continuously. This is the direction of a stream actually. The body wants to make your flow in whatever is this. This is animality. The animal wants to wake up at the time, the animal just not make any effort is there, and you are the human here waking up at the 6 o'clock and you are just getting a study, you are studying, it means you are doing work, you're just moving against the stream. Is that clear or not? So the people who make the who swims against the stream, who do the work here, they just become the success in your life, in their life, right or not? All people not become success in their life. Now we will speak here what nonsense success in life, it means many people have no, they just make effort. You would have seen many right now, the many glamours and many uh, Bollywood star you will see many times in the night, in the 4 o'clock morning, or even any time, just that they search the time of shooting, and just they go at any spot there also, and lot of means we can say unfavorable conditions also there, but they start working, they continues to do the work, so they become a star, they become a hot star, we can say speaker. Is that clear or not? So why this happens? This is the effort. I am giving an example here. A businessman do a lot of work, just not get proper, just not get a long sleep, and he forgot to take the lunch. He just is moving in the opposite direction of the stream. This is the basic of physics. Not I am motivating you right now. If you will agree with this, it will work. If you are not agree with this, it will work. आपके मानने नहीं मानने से ग्रेविटी बदल थोड़ी जाती है. इज दैट क्लियर? मैंने पहले ही कहा है 99 लोग कहेंगे तो वो सच नहीं हो सकता. इज दैट क्लियर? और सच को 99 लोगों की कहने की जरूरत नहीं है. इट मीन्स दैट व्हाट द ट्रूथ इज एवर एब्सोल्यूट. इट डज नॉट रिक्वायर और वांट वोटिंग. वोटिंग करने की जरूरत नहीं है. हाँ 100 लोग कह रहे हैं ये सही है. द बेसिक ऑफ फिजिक्स राइट नाउ इट एवर वर्क्स. जब न्यूटन ने दुनिया को नहीं बताया था ग्रेविटेशन का लॉ, तो क्या ग्रेविटेशन लॉ दुनिया में नहीं था क्या? इट एवर एग्जिस्टिंग. इज दैट क्लियर? One of the guys have one of the men among the people who just thought and make the effort to search the to search the gravitation, just have bring the concept before the people. लोगों के सामने लाया उसने. कैसे लाया? आपके सामने दिख रहा है ग्रेविटी. A lot of principles and lot of things always hidden here. You need to search them. This is the discovery. Means your success is your discovery. Right or not? The class is the place where we just do and you motivate, you just become energized here. मैं जो वर्क कर रहा हूँ, I'm speaking. आपको क्या लगता है? I'm not doing work. Exactly. I'm spending work here. अगर मैं वर्क नहीं करता तो थकता क्यों फिर बोल के? However, in physics is not the work done because force and displacement together makes work, right? Is that clear or not? Come on, please. So one, they are not following finally the dipole, right? So what is the question here? And their position vector is given. What the position vector there? One charge position vector are -9, 0, 0. -9, 0, 0 means the charge are presented 3D space. Right now, it's a position vector of first charge, and position vector of second charge is what here? Coordinates are 9, 0, 0. To see these coordinate, tell me what is their physical appearance? Their y and z axis are 0, 0, and their x-axis is negative -9, or their x-axis is positive. Can you tell me the distance between the charge? Falguni, the distance between the charge, can you tell me? Yes.
0.
What nonsense 0? Your 11th it becomes shunya, right? Tell please, Exit. 18 centimeter. The distance between them will be 18 centimeter. Why? Because you just can see here, this is positive x-axis. It's y, it's z. Akshita. It's y, it's x, okay? And this is z. And here it is x. Yes, my see? So the coordinates is +9, 0 and 0. And the coordinate is what here? -9, 0 and 0. अभी आपको मीन्स जरा भी अंदाजा नहीं है लॉकडाउन में जो सब कुछ डाउन जा रहा है. एंड बोर्ड विल टेक द एग्जाम इन इट्स ओन टाइम, एंड ही विल नॉट जस्ट इवन रिड्यूस द सिलेबस, बट ही विल स्पीक. वो उसको जो काम करना सीबीएसई बोर्ड को वही काम करेगा वो. आप पढ़ेंगे लॉकडाउन में जैसे भूखे बेरोजगार लोग सरकार की योजना का इंतजार कर रहे हैं, वैसे आप लोग भी कर रहे हैं. Look this here. ज्ञान आपके जीवन को सफल बनाता है, योजना से क्या मतलब है आपको? This is minus 900 900. What is the distance between them? What is the distance between them? 18 centimeter. Is that clear now? From here to here 9, from here to here 9. Right now, इसने इसको subtract कर दी, just subtracted here. Yes, 9 minus 9 0. Right? Come on, please. So what is to find out here? How much work is required to separate? To separate. You want to separate it exactly to constitute, to make any system. How much work you to do? So same energy or same work is need to be done to dissociate it. Association, dissociation requires same energy. You stretch the catapult's rubber, you do 100 joule work. When you release it, 100 joule energy carried by the stone. Is that clear? So what the question is asking, how much energy you need to, how much energy you need to spend, how much work you need to do work to separate the system. So same here, right now, please do right here. Go on writing this, the energy, the work done in separating them, equals to the work done in constituting them, constituting the system. So what is work done? Obviously, what work done, tell me please? That is W is equal to K Q1 Q2 and their position vector R21. Is that clear or not? It will be taken negative, but you are just dissociating energy, okay? So what is that? K is what? 9 into 10 to the power minus 9, and Q1 is how much? That is 7 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb, and next is minus 2 is also there. Minus 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 whole divided by, what is the distance between them? 18 into 10 to the power minus 3 or minus 2? Minus 2. This is in meter, and remember, this is not a square.
Yes.
1 by r is the potential, 1 by r square is the force, 1 by r square is the field. I taught you while steepest curve graphical representation between 1 by r and 1 by r square. You have not seen the video that. Okay? Then what is the answer coming here, please check? Minus 18, it can be cancelled here, look please, 9 2s are 18, 18 cancels, negative will come here, okay? And 10 to the power minus 7 will leave here only. So 7 minus 7 into 10 minus 9 minus 6 minus 15 minus 6 minus 21, and here this will come as minus 19 will come. Okay, 7 minus 19. Okay, so this is what you have, joule. This much energy is required to, and this joule is what here, let's speak here, 1 electron volt. This is called what? No, 1 electron volt, no, 1.6, approximately 1 electron volt. This is clear. See the next further. How much work is required to separate the same grid? Yeah, to do the work, negative work. Okay, to separate them, positive is there. Okay, energy never go in waste. So positive amount of that is. So what the question is asking here, zero point 0.7 joule it is called. Q1 Q2. So next question. No, it's something else coming. Q1 Q2. Where this? Look here. This is. You may see what is that? Q1 Q2. Where is Q2? Yes.
7 into minus 2 into 10 to the power.
So actually, listen, dissociating energy is there. Listen here. Work is to be done. One charge is at here. The another charge is at here. We need to replace it. Okay. So we need to do work against Q1 only, not the Q2. Q1 or Q2. Potential at a work done in bringing the charge at a point is called that total work done. This or potential at a point means we are to find out at this point potential. It's not the Q1 charge. It means we are to multiply it. This is the same concept here against the repulsion. You need to do it. That's minus. Why it's coming here is this is that here electron volt. Okay, minus 7 electron volt will come. Next is what? Same it is. Okay, the same. If negative will be the energy spent by you, so positive energy spent means you do the work is negative. Is that clear? Because against repulsion you are doing. If the system will do the work, it will taken as positive. Clear? Means to set the charge at that point, negative work is done. To remove the charge from that point, positive work is done. The amount but will be same. For the third one, suppose that same system of charge is now placed in an external field. The external field is given here. E is equal to what the external field is there? The external field is A 1 by R square. A1 by R square, where A is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 5 coulomb per meter. Okay, coulomb per meter. Coulomb per meter. What is that? Density it is, I think. A is something else, right? What would be the electrostatic energy of configuration B? Electrostatic energy is to be calculated here. Electrostatic energy in the terms of that. How can we do this? Configurational energy. Configurational energy means in bringing first charge, already field is present here. The field is present. Question is saying here, suppose the same system of charge is now placed in external field. So the questionnaire you have solved here, in bringing one charge, total work done. W1 in bringing first charge, okay, and W2 in bringing second charge. Is that clear? So W1, the charge bringing in bringing first charge. What is the first charge? Q1. So we can just write here. What is the external field is there? What is the external field here? The external field is here. The external field is A by R square. So work done is Q1 into V at R1. This is that. Clear? We want to find out the A1 by R is also there. But we need to find here what? Electric field is given, not the potential given. So work done is in bringing first charge Q1 into, speak please, V at R1 plus second charge is to be brought here. Double work is to be done against the VQ1 and against the field. Means it's a K time, no, Q1 into VR2, this is 2, okay, means it is Q2 here, clear? And second, the field is potential is at here. Next is what? KQ1 Q2 divided by it's R12. This is work is to be done here. And what next? Here the Q1 amount is given here. But what is VR1? What is VR2? And here is what? Q1, Q2 also is to be put here. Do solve please. Another answer. What is it's coming? Placed in external field 1 by R. What would be electrostatic energy of the configuration? One of them is to be taken negative. Remember please. already we found out here this q1 vr1 we found here. What is coming here? q2 vr2 v and kq1 q2. This is to find out. We found out here, I think. How much this is? Yes, minus 7 in right now. It's minus 7 10 to the power minus 19 joule. And in electron volt you can calculate them. Is that clear? So it's a minus 7 electron volt. This also you need to calculate. This also you need to calculate. Solve this please. And then the answer. Have a look the next please. Your assignment of the day today. Yesterday I gave this assignment. Problem based on relation between electric field and potential. You will see this. Okay. Today the assignment is yours. And we'll solve the numerical. Okay. If you will solve, will help you to understand this. Page number. You must see page number 8. Page number 8. And home assignment 3. The question 2-point charge 10 microcoulomb separated by distance. Okay. So I hope you will solve the question first 5 questions. Okay. These first 5 questions you will solve. Do you have this study material? I shall give this today. Okay.